Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and I just want to share with you that I did install my photovoltaic solar system about a week ago, more or less, and today I just want to share a few notes here and at the end also a glimpse of the installation video. Now, starting with the first note, which is this video is not the most interesting in my opinion, because I will have to learn, as with everything in life, to use this system, and after that I will share all the information that, and with all the mistakes that I will do in the future, but I will share that information with you guys. Then hopefully it will help you to decide which system to get, what will you be able to get with a system similar to mine, and so on and so forth. So we will have a few videos here on the channel regarding this. One other note that I would like to leave here is regarding the installation. What I would like to mention here, as you will have the chance to see on the videos, that the most difficult part is exactly to fix the panels to the roof. Just to give you an idea, this team that I did hire took the whole morning plus a little bit of the afternoon just to fix the structure that will take the panels on top of the roof. Once they had that structure mounted, the panels and the microinverters were really easy to assemble. It's just a plug and play thing, so any of you guys and even myself would be able to do. But fixing the structure was really difficult, especially for one person that is not used to do that kind of work. And if you are in my situation, then my advice is hire someone if you have the time, if you know how to do, and if you're not afraid of heights, then just do it yourself. But this is something that led me to hire this team. And finally, I also would like to share that I did decide microinverters with 6 panels, but when I did start my adventure regarding prices and what brands would I choose and the shop that I would choose, this was a 3-month process more or less. I did find out during the process that I had 2 shades on my roof. One in the beginning of the morning, which I will try to show you a picture right over there, and then one in the afternoon, roughly at 4:30 during the winter. I'm not really sure regarding the summer, but I will give you more details. And this led me to decide with microinverters, with the advantages and disadvantages of both systems. But for those of you that are not aware, when we use only one single inverter, what happens is that if we have a shade on one single panel, it will be the same as having that shade on all the panels, because they will work as a string, like a RAID system on our network attached storage solutions and systems. They will work by the lowest value, in this particular case, of production. On the other hand, if we are working with microinverters, then they will work individually by panel. If I affect one panel, the other 5 will keep on working at their 100%. So this is one of the biggest advantages of microinverters. If you guys search online, you'll find a lot of information, so probably this is not news for most of you guys, but probably it will help some of you. And that being said, I will leave you guys with a little bit of the installation video. Hopefully this video is helpful in some way, and if it is, don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto, and I'll see you guys on the next one.